Agricultural Technology Information Center. ATIC एग्रीकल्चरल टेक्नोलॉजी इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर, कृषि प्रौद्योगिकी सूचना केंद्र. National Agricultural Research System has generated number of agricultural technologies for the benefit of the farmers. But the farmers are not able to use these technologies due to lack of access to the information. To bridge this gap of information, agricultural technology information centers have been established in the country. ATIC of IARI, New Delhi was established in 1999 as a single window delivery system for the technology, services and products of the institute for the benefit of the farming community. ATIC provides farm advisory services and facilitate information-based decision making among farmers. Now, what is single window approach? A farmer gets all the informations and resources like knowledge, seeds, magazine, all of them at a single place. Now, mandates of ATIC. To provide a single window delivery system for the products and services to the farmers and other interested groups, to facilitate direct access of the farmers to the institutional resources available in terms of technology advice, technology products, etc., for reducing technology dissemination losses. To provide mechanism for feedback from the users to the institute scientists. Now, objectives of ATIC. To supply research products such as seeds and other planting material, to sell publications and communication materials, as well as audio-visual aids produced by research organizations. To provide information related to technology to the farmers. Now, functioning of ATIC. Farmers can also subscribe to monthly magazines. Farmers bring their crops life sample, affected parts like seeds, leaves, stem, etc., and get help through diagnostic services. Farmers provided inputs through centers. Farmers ask an helpline number about the various events and informations regarding crop. Now, importance of ATIC. It is time saving for farmers as it provides all the informations, resources and solution to the farmers. Also create employment. It makes easier for farmers to reach all the resources. It also organizes visit of scientists to the field to diagnose the diseases. It helps farmers in adopting new varieties of different crops